Here at Kansas Plastic Surgery, we have a device called Evoke. Now, Evoke is a non-surgical, non-invasive way for us to be able to deliver radiofrequency energy to tighten your skin and to get rid of any unwanted fat. Evoke is different than surgical treatments because it's going to have much less downtime. It's going to allow you to return to normal activity the same day, so you don't have to have that long recovery that you might otherwise need to have. It also is something that just lets us be able to make subtle changes. We're not going to have some dramatic change that's going to be noticed by all of your friends and coworkers. This is something that's going to allow us to gradually improve your appearance over the series of a few treatments. And that's going to be a really nice way for you to be able to feel comfortable that it's something that is not just a dramatic change. Evoke is a good treatment for a lot of women. I think that when we start talking about facial rejuvenation, I think ideally this is probably people that are starting a little bit early. So as we're starting to see signs of aging, maybe in our early 40s or 50s, and we really want to be able to not look like we're aging, but we're not ready to do something dramatic because we don't need that. Evoke is a really good treatment for us to be able to say, let's tighten skin, let's freshen things up a little bit without having to have downtime. You don't have to miss the activities that you love to do. You don't have to stop exercising. You don't have to take any time off of work. So this is a really good way to be able to say, let's start off with trying to battle those signs of aging without really needing a lot of downtime. It allows us to do a couple different things. It's letting us be able to tighten skin for sure, but it also lets us get rid of some facial volume. So a lot of people don't like fullness in their cheeks or don't like some fullness in their neck. So it lets us be able to take that device and lets us be able to treat you for varied lengths of time and varied temperatures. That lets us be able to effectively reduce volume if you want to. But if you really just want to tighten skin, it still can be able to do just that for you. And I think safety is a concern that we oftentimes have when it comes to any kind of new technology. And the beauty of this device is that it has redundant safety mechanisms to make sure that this is really done in a way that's going to be safe for you. Now, this device is measuring the temperature on the contact of your skin continuously, many times a second. So it's making sure that we're not going to get this too hot that it could cause a burn or cause other kinds of damage. Evoke is a really comfortable treatment. It's one of those things that once we turn that on, we're going to dial the energy to a place that's going to be comfortable for you. Most people describe it as feeling something like a heating pad might feel. So it's something that's really not painful at all, but it is getting you warm enough that it's going to allow you to be able to have some changes in skin laxity and volume reduction if desired. I see a lot of men as they're getting older that they still want to compete with people, whether it's a sales job or whether it's something that they're in front of the public, and they really want to continue to look refreshed. They want to look as young as they feel like they are. And so in those situations, they don't really want to do something that's a dramatic change or something that leaves scars on their face. They want something that's going to be able to make them look better without it being obvious that they're doing that little extra thing to be able to compete. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Evoke, please reach out to us. We're happy to see you for a consultation.